How to fix your Instagram account has been locked. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows you to share photos and videos with your followers and friends. However, sometimes you may encounter a message that says your account has been temporarily locked when you try to log into your account. This means that Instagram has detected some suspicious activity on your account and has locked it for security reasons. You will not be able to access your account until you verify your identity and reset your password. There are different reasons why your Instagram account may be locked, such as, you are using a third-party app or website that violates Instagram's terms of service, such as an app that automatically likes, follows, or comments on other users' posts. You have entered your login details. On a phishing website that tries to steal your personal information or hack your account. You have posted content that breaches Instagram's community guidelines, such as spam, nudity, violence, hate speech, etc. You have made too many login attempts with the wrong password or username, which may indicate that someone is trying to access your account without your permission. To unlock your Instagram, you need to follow these steps. Delete any third-party apps or websites that you are using with your Instagram account, as they may compromise your security and privacy. You can also revoke their access to your account by visiting https://www.instagram.com/account/manage_access in a web browser and logging in with your Instagram credentials. Try to log into your Instagram account using the app or website. If your account is temporarily locked, you will see a message that asks you to confirm your identity by entering a security code that will be sent to your email address or phone number associated with your account. Tap or click on Send Security Code and check your email or phone for the code. Enter the code in the app or website and tap or click on Next. You will then be asked to create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that you can remember easily. If you don't have access to the email address or phone number linked to your account, or if you don't receive the security code, you can try another method to verify your identity. Tap or click on Need More Help, and follow the instructions on the screen. You may be asked to provide a photo of yourself holding a paper with a handwritten code provided by Instagram, along with your username and full name. This will help Instagram verify that you are the owner of the account. Once you have verified your identity and reset your password, you should be able to access your Instagram account normally. However, if you still see the message that says your account has been temporarily locked, you may need to wait for 24 hours before trying again. If the issue persists after 24 hours, you can contact Instagram support for further assistance. Learn more. My Instagram was hacked. Instagram support. https://www.instagram.com/hacked